CHOC Research Institute and University Lab partners jointly developed a new STEM high school program, the Medical Innovation and Entrepreneurship Program. Students worked closely with clinicians and industry leaders to understand unmet clinical needs, discuss proofs of concept, IP, patent strategies. We also looked at case studies and the relationships between the hospital system, the clinician, and also, most importantly, the patient.
My favorite part in the MIE program definitely consisted of working with my peers to listening to presenters each day. And really inspirational to see that these presenters who are so successful had their own downfalls and struggles that they had to deal with.
At first, I was hesitant about participating in a medical innovation and entrepreneurship program. I was intimidated by what appeared to be a rigorous course. Thankfully, I'm grateful that I didn't let that get in the way. This virtual learning experience was eye-opening in a way that showcased how law, business, and finance all play a role in the medical field, not just your doctors and nurses.
I learned so much about the many different aspects of biomedical entrepreneurship, and although I may not be interested at the moment of pursuing it right now, you don't need to in order to have fun.
I learned that I have the option to help others through biotechnology and medical innovation, not just by becoming a doctor or a nurse or anything like that.
I thought of medicine as strictly as lab work or patient care, which is something I wasn't entirely sure I was interested in. However, I now understand that medical innovation involves aspects of business, law, and entrepreneurship on top of medicine.
And I think that just being able to be introduced to what an unmet need is really important, because these are problems that healthcare professionals actually face in their industry, and to be given the opportunity to work with others and create a device that could potentially be used to solve that problem, I think is really fascinating.
When we're watching students work in their groups to develop their innovation, it's really clear they're developing some essential soft skills that they will carry with them for the rest of their life. Every day, every lesson, they're utilizing collaboration, communication, and critical thinking. When students leave the University Lab Partners program, their eyes are open to all the various biotech careers, and they're really thinking about what is their next step in their educational path.
It was incredible to see them really open up and innovate and collaborate and critically think with other students, and to really watch them interact with professionals in the field was an incredible experience.
I would definitely recommend this course to a friend because it was really helpful and informative in so many aspects, such as from business to just public speaking, communication, collaboration.
However, in no way am I saying that it was easy. This program just isn't for anyone. But if you're someone who is hardworking and passionate about anything from entrepreneurship to business, I'd say to you, not let this hands-on opportunity pass you up.
Overall, this is a very fun and educational experience, and I definitely recommend it to any of my other friends who haven't done it before.
When I came into this program, I actually didn't really have an interest towards the medical field, but I was already interested in the sciences. However, coming out of this program, I've actually developed an interest for the medical field because I saw how the medical field could be intertwined with the sciences, and I think that's really fascinating.
I would definitely recommend the MIE program to others because of everything I've learned and how I've changed my perspective of medicine. On top of this, I was able to work with new peers to create a fun innovation and form new friendships with others who share my same passion.
Once again, I highly encourage you to join, and I am grateful I was able to participate.